Hi, good morning, buenos dias, good afternoon, buenas tardes. We're going to continue with a story that Toyota continues to improve this process as new models are launched. Mike House recalls an example of this progression. The Toyota production system depends on a smooth flow of parts just in time, and this was particularly challenging as Toyota started up the Georgetown plant and was transitioning many of its part components to American suppliers. In some of the early models of this Camry, the parts were not always up to the ideal standard, even though they passed the customer quality standards. The team members on the line worked through many part problems that caused them to push or pull with extra physical force in order to get the part to meet the customer standards. As a result, there were a number of cumulative trauma injuries to our team members. In Toyota fashion, the problem solving started. There were short-term countermeasures implemented at the process, such as tools, new installation methods, and the temporary rework of parts. The root cause was that the standards that safety had set for pushing and pulling, the amount of force necessary to push or pull a part on a car, were not known and not understood by design engineers. For the next model change, the safety department was part of the horizontal pilot team. They were present not only to interpret the standards to the design engineers, but also to actually measure and confirm that the parts could indeed go on the car without the standard. If the standard was not met, the engineer had to work with the supplier to make changes to the part until it did. The new model was launched with tremendous improvements in the workability of the parts for our team members. The injuries and costs went way down while morale and trust increased. Another example of tools and process in use to support horizontal coordination is the cross-functional meeting. These are the standard meetings facilitated by the administrative function to coordinate the teamwork and improve across all of the functioning departments. These meetings are held at different standard intervals and are vital tool for problem solving, communication, and sharing of best practices. There are many standing meetings at Toyota. We give a flavor for the broad range of teams at meetings at TMMK, and even this long list is only a subset. Okay, so obviously, having the cross-functional horizontal, obviously getting the safety department part involved with the pilot is a big change for many places.